Welcome to CARICOMP Insider, where high-tech facial recognition meets real-world intelligence.
A teenager with a laptop can now trick a bank's face scanner into thinking a fake video is a real, live person, not a hacker in a hoodie in some far-off country. A curious kid who watched a few tutorials. And the scary part? The face match still reads 98% confident. If you've ever unlocked your phone with your face, or logged into your bank with a selfie, this touches you directly. We've been taught that a strong face match means safety, that a high number equals proof. But the ground just shifted underneath that idea. Today I want to show you why a 99% match might mean less than it used to, and how the people protecting your identity are fighting back. So why would a near-perfect match suddenly stop meaning what we think it means? Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes. When a face recognition system says it's 99% sure, we assume that settles it. That's the person. Case closed. And honestly, that trust is earned. Face matching has gotten remarkably good over the past decade. The technology genuinely improved. But that confidence score only answers one question. Does this face match that face? It never asks the bigger question. Where did this image actually come from? That's the gap fraudsters are exploiting through something called an injection attack. In plain terms, an injection attack is when someone skips the camera entirely. Instead of holding a real face up to your phone, they feed a fake video straight into the system, like slipping a forged photo into a sealed envelope after it's already been checked. The system thinks a live person showed up. Really, it's a deepfake plugged in through the back door. Now, how common is this? According to security firm iProve, injection attacks jumped by more than 1,100% in a single year. Let that land. Not double, not triple, over 12 times as many in 12 months. This isn't a lab experiment anymore. It's happening at scale. Here's the analogy that finally made it click for me. A face match is like checking the shipping label on a package. The label looks perfect, right name, right address, but a matching label doesn't tell you what's actually inside the box. Real security means three things. You open the box to confirm a live person is really there. You verify the package came from a trusted address, a secure camera, not a fake feed. And you make sure the whole delivery system itself has been tested against forgeries. Label, contents, sender, all three, not just the label. That's why the industry is moving away from trusting a vendor's advertised accuracy. The U.S. Standards Agency, NIST, is pushing toward independently certified testing instead of marketing claims. Because a matcher that's 99% accurate is still 99% accurate, even when you point it at a flawless deepfake. The number stays high, the identity behind it is completely fake. And the stakes are enormous. Consulting firm Deloitte predicts AI-generated fraud could cost Americans up to $40 billion by 2027. For a fraud investigator, this rewrites the whole job. The goal isn't finding the strongest match anymore. It's finding the match where you can actually defend how the image was captured. So here's the flip. In the deepfake era, a single strong match should make you more cautious, not less. One confident number is weaker than three humble signals that all agree. The person was live, the camera was secure, and the system was tested against fakes. Let me leave you with the simple version. A face match only proves two pictures look alike. It doesn't prove the picture was real. Fraudsters can now sneak fake videos past the camera, and the match score won't warn you. So real safety checks three things: a live person, a trusted device, and a tested system, not just one high number. Whether you're protecting a courtroom case or just protecting your own bank login, the lesson is the same. A confident match is a starting point, never the finish line. The full breakdown's in the show notes, if you want to go deeper.
Now you know something most people in this industry don't. Use it. And when you're ready to put it to work, caracomp.com. We'll see you tomorrow.